actually step to front.
That's what I've been like.
Excuse me, gentlemen, you are in my frame. Excuse me. Hey. Okay, so are you ready? Can you see me? Let's start. And first one, second one, and just in case I'll take two more. Now let's open your eyes. And the last one. Thank you, that's all.